Looking for the best mattresses for snoring people for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 mattresses for snoring people that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a mattresses for snoring people that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended mattresses for snoring people. Number 1 on the list is Leesa Memory Foam Mattress. The Leesa Memory Foam Mattress is a high-quality designed to offer you support and comfort as you sleep. The queen-size USA-made mattress comes with 3 layers to offer you maximum optimal function. The first layer is the comfort layer, intended to provide a cool, hugging and bouncing feel for those who prefer to sleep on their sides. The recovery layer, which is the second layer, ensures that your body contours the right way to relieve pressure. The inner layer is created to provide core support for all body types and possible sleeping positions. Among the layers presented, the top does a good job keeping your skin cool as you sleep through the night. The 10-inch foam construction supports your back, making sure that your airways are not blocked, thus preventing snoring. The mattress is presented with a 4-strip cover to keep the mattress from getting dirty over time. Whenever you buy this product, you are offering more to the world. With every 10 mattresses sold, 1 is donated to those in need. For every mattress sold, a tree is planted and the company is able to volunteer to help the local community. You also get to engage in a 100-night sleep trial to see if you like the mattress. If you buy the product, you get a 10-year limited warranty, which only speaks to the quality of the product. Second on the list is Casper Sleep Memory Foam Mattress. The Casper Sleep Memory Foam Mattress happens to be a queen-sized beauty that you can get to enjoy sleep at night. The mattress is made of 4 layers of foam to create the perfect bounce and support. The mattress is comprised of the open foam cell layer, the high-density memory foam layer, the zone transitional foam layer, and the support foam layer. All these layers come together under a durable mattress cover, for those who tend to sweat at night. You can trust that this mattress will keep you cool. This is because it has a hypoallergenic latex that is responsible for facilitating airflow. The mattress cover is made of 1% elastane and 99% polyester, making it easy to clean and maintain. One just needs to toss it in the washer at 40 degrees Celsius and let the machine do the work for you. The mattress is 10 inches thick, therefore offering enough support for your back. It is not a light mattress, and that is why you will see handles on it. The handles will be of great help turning or moving the mattress. It comes with a 100-day trial and a 10-year warranty, giving you the assurance that you are not wasting money. It is CertiPURUS certified, therefore you can rest knowing that both you and the environment are safe. Number 3 on the list is Zinus Hybrid Mattress. The Zinus Hybrid Mattress is a 12-inch thick mattress that is comprised of 6 layers to offer you comfort as you sleep through the night. The 6 layers all perform different functions to offer you optimal back support as you switch sleeping positions through the night. These 6 layers used are the high-density foam, the viscolatex foam, the fusion gel memory foam, the coil-pocketed springs, and the comfort foam. When you look at the surface of the mattress, you are able to see the attractively quilted jacquard cover that is made of durable material. A notable feature in this mattress is that it contains I-coil springs that hold up the edges. You will be able to sleep well as the surface is balanced. You can believe that both your back and airways are in the right position for relaxing sleep. If you need to move the mattress, use the handles provided to do so. The handles are well sawn in and therefore will not rip off. When you finally get the mattress, the manufacturer advises that you leave it open for 48 hours so that it unfolds to its original plush shape. The CertiPURUS certified mattress, like most of the others in the same range, comes with a 100-night sleep trial and a 10-year warranty. Number 4 on the list is Brentwood Home Cypress Mattress. the Brentwood Home Cypress mattress is GreenGuard Gold and CertiPURUS certified, meaning that it is very environmentally friendly. For those who are in search for products that go the extra mile to save the environment, this product may just as well satisfy their needs. The mattress is constructed out of gel memory foam, support foam and Airlux foam to provide a balanced surface. The U.S. mattress brand prides itself in the fact that their mattresses are made to feel just right. They are neither too hard nor too soft, thus providing you with the perfect balance. This memory foam mattress is 13 inches thick, therefore you can be assured of a good night's sleep because the mattress supports spinal alignment. Whether you enjoy sleeping on your side or your stomach, you will wake up feeling refreshed. The removable mattress cover is created out of viscose rayon made from natural bamboo. The lining of the cover is created from natural wool for New Zealand that wicks moisture, prevents odor and regulates heat. For this product, the warranty is longer than others, providing 25 years limited warranty and 1-year sleep trial. You can be sure that by the time 25 years is past, you would have gotten good value for your money. Number 5 on the list is LINENSPA Hybrid Mattress. The LINENSPA Hybrid Mattress possesses a 12-inch thickness that is bound to make you feel comfortable. This high-quality hybrid mattress is comprised of 4 layers that come together to form a stable support for comfort as you sleep in different positions. The 4 layers include the comfort foam, the gel-infused memory foam, the support foam and the encased coils that provide proper edge support. The 8-inch coils are made from durable material and are well distributed to support varied weights. These coils are individually wrapped so as to provide unwavering support. As for the gel-infused memory foam layer, it is responsible for ensuring that you sleep in a cool setting without sweating. All the layers are covered by a durable quilted cover whose aesthetic is evident. Get to experience the plushness in this mattress, as it is one of the softest in the LINENSPA line. The mattress comes with a 10-year limited warranty. It is important to read through the terms and conditions of the warranty to establish what the manufacturer is willing to cover. The mattress is delivered in a box, therefore, you might need a bit of help getting it to where you need it. Just now is a list of 5 best mattresses for snoring people that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.